Hey guys, my name is Asmu and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, welcome to video 1 of creating your own YouTube channel tutorials. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how to create your Gmail account and then create your YouTube channel. Alright, so go to Chrome. Not go to Chrome yet, let me try to screen record this. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, let me try to screen record this. So you just want to go to Chrome and then, excuse me, and then go all the way to the top right, and then you see these two icons. Well, except one is missing, which is me, because I'm an icon. Get it? Anyway, alright, so you just have to click on this icon, this sort of like a human icon, and scroll, not scroll, but go all the way down and then click on add. And click on sign in. If you don't already have like a Gmail account, click on create account. Okay, stuttering's getting worse. And then first name, you want to use your first name, and I'm just gonna use testing because I already have a Gmail account. I don't want a second one. And I'm gonna call this channel, I'm gonna call this creating. Let's see if Google lets me. Oh, my date of birth. I'm gonna just use a random date. 1990. I wasn't born in 1990. Just using that. But you have to use your own date of birth. And so it's giving me different options if I want to use channel creating64@gmail.com. And you can choose to create your own Gmail address. And let's see if I can use, for simplicity, I am just going to go ahead and use channel creating 64@gmail.com. And my password, you can go ahead and use any password you want. I'm going to just use a very simple password. Bear with me. Alright, nope, I don't want this. If you want, you can add that, but for me, no. And I'm gonna just click on next, and then it'll give you this privacy and terms. You can agree to it and confirm. Alright, so now that you have your Gmail account, you want to go to YouTube. This is up to you. You can customize it if you want. I'm gonna just call this tutorial. And so you just want to go to YouTube and click on that. So allow. So you're now on the YouTube website, and you just want to go back to your account where you see the first letter of your Gmail account name, and then you want to click on that, and then go to create channel right underneath your profile. Click on create channel, and then you can create, and you can call this channel any name you want. I'm gonna call this tutorial channel, but I am going to delete this later. Anyway, I can use that. I'm just gonna use it for simplicity. And you can select a profile picture if you want to create a real YouTube channel. Your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh this page. Your channel does not exist. What did I do wrong? Let's go back to YouTube. And I think we should have our channel now. There we go. And now we have it. And you can see now, view your channel. Was that going too fast? Your channel does not exist. Go to YouTube Studio. Oh, there we go. We already have a channel. I think it might be because we haven't posted anything yet. That's why it's saying your channel does not exist. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to upload something and see if it works. Alright, select files. I'm just gonna upload an image. So, and I'm going to make this private so it doesn't go to the web. Tests. I'm gonna call this test, and privacy. Excuse me. Nope, it's not made for kids. Show more. Invisibility. I'm gonna call this private. And don't worry, I'll walk you through this in the next video, so don't worry. Not the next video, but the uploading video. And this is just a test, and now we have it up there. Just go ahead and refresh this, and now we can go to YouTube and see if it works. Let's go to the channel name, click on channel. There we go, because we have uploaded something. Uploaded the contents. And this is just my intro, by the way, so. And we can view that. And yeah, there we go. And that's how you create your YouTube channel and your Gmail account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos, if you want to know how to create your own YouTube channel, if you want to know how to work with the sound, the camera, the lighting, and the uploading. Make sure to subscribe and like, and don't forget to comment if you have any thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheerio.